Hi, it's Nick at Jordanbikes. I'm here to show you this beautiful little Street Triple 765 RS. This is a range topping bike, full colour TFT dashboard, and it's absolutely beautiful. A couple of nice extras on this one as well, but I'm going to go through the standard spec first of all. Brembo Monoblock calipers down on the front there. I thought they were M50, but I got told they were called Style Easy or something, but they're the top of the range anyway. They're fantastic calipers there. MCS master cylinder lever as well, look. Stop on a penny that thing. Triumph billet levers, you've got a nice billet reservoir cover there as well. Showa fully adjustable forks, it looks like. Is that an Ohlins? It's an Ohlins. Ohlins rear shock. Little LED indicators there as well. These basically are a sports bike, but with a comfortable riding position. Come with a quick shifter as well, as you can see there. And hopefully on the video you can pick up just how mint it is. It's beautiful. 2018 plate, and the mileage is 5,148, so not that many at all. It's got a tail tidy and a seat cowl, as you can see there as well. As we come round this side, I'll go over some of the features it's got. They come with traction control, power modes, ABS, and as I've mentioned at the other side, it's got the quick shifter. This one's got a nice cheeky little arrow exhaust as well, and from the factory, Ohlins rear shock. It's got braided hoses. Are those standard? Anybody? Yeah, I'm getting a nod. Those are standard. Proper little sports bike, but good for your back if you're my age. I'll give it a quick start up so you can have a listen. So you've got the Triumph seat cowl on there, seat with the lovely stitching, and it's in this fantastic satin grey colour. So we'll come to the dashboard. It's full colour TFT, it's like having your very own iPad on the front there, and it's fully customisable. So as we're just demonstrating there, you're going through the power modes. So you've got rain mode, normal street mode, sports mode, a track mode, and then you can basically set it up completely on your own if you want. But it adjusts the traction, the power and all those bits and bobs. So I'm just going to show you how to change your themes on the dashboard, because you can have the rev counter and the speedometer shown in various different ways depending on what you want. Heated grips as well. If you can see to the right hand side of the dashboard there, fully temperature adjustable, so they don't have to just be on full or off. You can adjust them slowly. Okay, that's it, I think. Yep. There you go. So we had to do 6 takes, but you won't get to see the other 5. Anyway, a beautiful bike. You know you want it, you know where we are. So if you fancy it, give us a call. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers. Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.